Okay, so this is going to be like a little trade recap of today's trade that I took live. So in the 4 hour time frame, we're bullish because we broke above this high, so we can anticipate that extension move should be to the upside. On the hourly time frame, bearish. Reason being is that we broke below this low right underneath here. A lot of people were saying that, hey, how come this isn't a high? The reason this isn't a high is because this wick didn't come above this one. If it came above this one, I would have used this as a high. But I used the most recent breaker structure to the downside right here. We even have a more recent breaker structure to the downside right here as well. So all this up move here was just in a retracement to me of like the 50-minute time frame, because this just retrace it back up. So that being said, I know that shorts with a move short term and longs with a move for like the overall time of my session. So I believe that's a 50-minute high here with another 50-minute high up here, and we had another 15-minute high up here. So I want to just go through the 1 minute time frame, and what I want to see is price just sweep up the high, sweep the high, and then that entry confirmations back down. So boom, we sweep the high, but we candle close above. So now delete, because we don't care anymore. Tap, 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 end up sweeping that high, and now what are we waiting for next? A break of structure to the downside. So if I play it, do we break structure? No. Do we break structure? No. Do we break structure? No. Still no. But we do form a low literally right here. Here's our low. Right underneath here. So I'm just going to just play it again. Boom. We form a new low right here. So I'm going to end up moving the black line right underneath this wick. If I can get it slight. So I'm going to play it again. Boom. Do we candle close? Nope. Here's the candle closure now. And have you seen what's happened in between here? This wick here swept the high on the left, two candles on the left. You see this wick right here? This high got swept by this candlestick here. Remember how I said the hourly wasn't bullish because the wick didn't come further than the one on the left? It's exactly like this. So the hourly looked like something like this, and it candle closed above, and everyone was saying bullish. But you notice how we have a blue candle here that price wicked above, so this is the high that I'm looking at. That's that. This is another example. You just caught my eye now. So like, we get a sweep of liquidity, and we get a breaker structure from this low right up in here. So from in here, I want to wait for a little bit more confirmation, maybe like an imbalance, and then a reaction back out, which would give me a lot more confidence to enter. So I could have entered off this, but it just wasn't enough. Even though we got bearish candle out, it just wasn't enough for me anyway. So boom, playing it out. So we displace to the downside, leaving behind this imbalance right here. I'm just going to change this color to purple. Pink, purple, whatever. And then I'm going to wait for price to tap in. Nice. I want to see a bearish candle back out now. So do we get that? Not just yet. Here it is. So here's the bearish candle back out after the doji candle. So that is my entry. So boom. Entry. Stop at the high. Zoom a bit more further up than that. Stop at the high. And my take profits were literally based on like the left hand side. So I was going to use this as a take profit, but my RR was really going to be bad. Even though I know price has a good chance of reversing from there, I didn't want to use that. So what I did was I jumped onto the 1 minute time frame and tried to like line this up. So first take profit was literally this 1 minute lower down here. Second take profit was based off I believe it was a 5-minute bullish order block. If I can drag the screen from, damn. Bear with me, guys. Next time I use my monitor, bear with me. my days, fam. Jesus, bro. MacBooks are so bad, fam. Just give me this, damn. So you notice how we sweep this low, break above this high up here. That means we have a bullish order block. And you'll see me draw it often like this because I like keeping my shit neat. So boom, order block right here. Boom. The base of it, like the top part of it, is my second take profit, and my last take profit was literally just a low. So I could have let's just put it here. This one didn't get hit in time when I was entering, but it's cool. So I'll pull it all the way down. Jump onto the 1 minute time frame. And then from here, I'm gonna wait for an entry and play it. So this is what the trade looked like. The code's 5621. There we go. So first take profit ends up getting hit. Second take profit ends up getting hit. At this time, my stop is at break even. But here, this is when I told everyone on the stream to trail your stop above the 5 minute highs, because remember the 4 hour was bullish, so my stop was trailed literally right here, like that. So boom, we end up getting stop tight in profit. Then price ends up literally returning back to my entry anyways. So yeah, that was this trade. Hopefully you guys learned something. I know my MacBook is like mad laggy. I'm gonna sort that out today because like, I know that's not fun watching, but I hope you guys learned something. Again, if you wanted me to go over the confluences, it was literally a super liquidity 1 minute bullish order, bearish order block, 1 minute imbalance, a reaction out of the imbalance, candle close from my entry, and then marked out take profits. But yeah, as you can see, this bullish order block held pretty nice as well down here, which is really nice take profit. But if I was to do something a bit better, maybe I could have just targeted the order block as first take profit. I think that's what I could do better for next time. Yeah, as you can see as well, we were so close to hitting stop, but we returned back into the order block and we just started mounting back down. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.